Hi, I'm Beck and Food's My Life. Today I'm doing a quick little video for you. Nothing fancy, nothing pretentious, and chances are you've got these ingredients in your cupboard and you can make this today. So I'm on holidays at the moment, so I'm making my lunch. I'm not taking my lunch to work with me. So I love a good toasted sandwich, especially when the weather's getting a little bit cooler. There's nothing better than that smell of a toasty just cooking away in your sandwich press. It really is an appetizing smell. So today I'm going to show you how I make my grilled cheese sandwich, or in Australia, as we like to call it, a good old cheese toasty. You're probably thinking, this is ridiculously easy, Beck. Of course I know how to make a grilled cheese toasty, but there's ways to do it and there's ways not to do it, and I'm here to show you the best way. Okay, first things first, it's all about the bread. So I like to use sourdough, of course, because that is going to give your sandwich more flavor. Please don't use the packet rubbish that you get from your supermarkets. Buy real bread. Go to the baker. It's worth it. Okay, so I'm going to butter both pieces of my bread, and none of this margarine rubbish. Of course, it's got to be real butter because butter tastes amazing. Simple. Now, on the outsides of my bread, this is the little trick. This is what's going to take this grilled cheese sandwich to next level. I'm going to spread on some whole egg mayonnaise. That's right, mayo. And make sure it's whole egg. Don't cut any corners. Use the best ingredients and you'll always have a great outcome. All right, open up that little baby and add your cheese. Cheddar works great. Today I'm just using whatever I had in the fridge, which happens to be a really lovely, tasty cheese. And next tip, grate the cheese. These little things make a huge difference. Just really liberal. I don't know, this is probably about half a cup of cheese. More the merrier. If you've got multiple cheeses in your fridge, do 2 or 3 different cheeses. Don't hold back. Oh, and the last thing, a little bit of ground pepper. There. Not quite your normal old grilled cheese sandwich, is it? Now, here comes the next important step. Don't use your sandwich press, just use a fry pan. Okay, here's my fry pan. I'm putting the heat on to medium. I don't want it too hot because I don't want to burn the butter. That's right, more butter. All right, now that that butter has melted down a bit, I add my sandwich to the pan. And now we just wait. We have to be patient. It's all about making sure the toast is nice golden brown and the inside is going to be all melted and just oozing with goodness. It's ready to flip. Oh yes, look at that. That is browned perfectly. And you're not going to get that intensity of flavor in your normal sandwich press, I can tell you. It's got to be a frying pan with tons of butter. So that's it. Simple, honest food. Nothing fancy, but there were a couple of little twists along the way. Little things to make it divine. Good quality bread, the cracked pepper, the mayonnaise, cooking it in a fry pan, and of course cooking it in lashings of butter. That's a cheese toasty.